Hi children, this is your A Nurser. Today I have come up with some new problems on division of polynomials. On division of polynomials for class 10th children. For class 10th children, exercise number 2.3. Exercise number 2.3. So let me read the problem. Obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So what is given? This root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Clear? So if these two are roots, then what happens? Your x minus whole root 5 by 3 x plus whole root 5 by 3 is a factor of a given polynomial. Is a factor of a given polynomial. So let us multiply this. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b means what? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Here a means x. So x square minus whole root 5 by 3 into whole root 5 by 3 square. So what happens? 5 by 3. If you multiply, what you get? X square minus 5 by 3. So because this is a factor, let us divide the given polynomial by this. Because this is a polynomial, let us divide. What is the given polynomial? 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Let us divide this with what? X square minus 5 by 3. Clear? So here you have plus and here plus. So sign is plus. Clear? Number 3. Here no number. So number should be 3 here. Here x to the power of 4. Here x square. What is the difference of power? 2. That means x square. You have to multiply by 3x square. 3x square into x square. 3x to the power of 4. Clear? Minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. 3 cancels. Minus 5x square. Minus 5x square. So now let us divide. Let us subtract. So you have to change the sign. Plus 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 4 cancels. So here 6x cube plus 5x square minus 2x square plus 3x square. Clear? So this is plus, this is plus. So here sign will be plus. You should get 6. So 6. X cube, x square. What is the difference of the powers? 1. So x. So now multiply by 6x. 6x into x square, 6x cube. Plus into minus, minus. 5 by 3 into 6, you get a 10. Because 3 and 6 cancels 2 times. 5 to the 10. Clear? X. X. When you subtract, sign changes. 6x cube and minus 6x cube cancels. So here 3x square plus 10x minus 10x minus 5 plus 10x minus 10x cancels. Clear? Here plus, here plus. So here you should take plus 3. 3 into x square, 3x square. Plus into minus, minus. 5 by 3 into 3, 5. Now you have to subtract. So you should change the sign. Plus 3x square minus 3x square minus 5 plus 5 cancels. That means remainder 0. So this is your factor. This is your factor. So now let us take that factor. 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So now, with the help of splitting the middle term, let us find the factors of this. Let us find the factors of this. Or you can take 3 common. Let us take 3 common. X square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means x, b means y. So what you get? 3 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. So your remaining 2 zeros will be minus 1 and minus 1. Here your remaining 2 zeros will be minus 1 and minus 1. So what are the 4 roots of that given polynomial? Whole root of 5 by 3 minus whole root of 5 by 3 minus 1 and minus 1. These 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Understood? So, I think you understood how to solve this type of a question. So, this is your next sum. On dividing, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. What is given? On dividing, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Clear? We have a formula. What is that? P of x is equal to P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus R of x. What is the formula? P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That means if you divide a polynomial p of x by g of x, then p of x can be written as g of x into quotient plus remainder. G of x into quotient plus remainder. So in this one, you know p of x, you know q of x, you know r of x. You have to get g of x. Okay, what are the things you know? Replace in the given equation. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to g of x into what is your quotient? X minus 2. What is your remainder? Minus 2x plus 4. So let us take this minus 2x plus 4 to other side. Clear? So what happens? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Here this side what you have? Complete. This bracket you take that side. Here plus, there minus. Minus of minus 2x plus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So let us open this bracket. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus of minus plus 2x minus plus minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So x cube minus 3x square, here plus x, here plus 2x plus 3x, here plus 2, here minus 4 minus 2. Clear? Is equal to this. Let me bring this to this side. Here it is multiplying. Here you have to divide. That means you have to divide this by x minus 2. You have to divide this by x minus 2. So let us divide with the help of long division method. X minus 2. Plus, plus, plus. Here what you have? X cube. Here you have x. So you have to multiply with what? X square. X cube minus 2 into x square. Minus 2x square. You have to subtract. You have to change the sign. X cube cancels. Minus 3x square plus 2x square minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Clear? Now here plus, here minus. So you have to multiply by minus. X square. So you have to multiply by x. Clear? X into minus x into plus x. Minus x square. Minus into minus plus 2x. Now you have to subtract. You have to change the sign. X square cancels. Plus 3x minus 2x. X minus 2. So here plus, here plus. So plus 1. x minus 2. When you subtract, you have to change the sign. These two cancels, so you get 0. So your g of x is equal to what? This one. What is this? G of x. What is this? G of x. So g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. I think you understood how to solve if this type of a question is given. So again tomorrow I come up with some new problems. Till then, have a nice time and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.